Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me another product. This is a free product. It's a paid review. Let's get straight to it. And this week, they have sent us a RV shower handle. So we are going to replace the shower handle in our RV shower. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick with this new shower. And if you don't know, RV showers usually have a shut off so that you save water, because your hot water heater is only 6 gallons in most RVs. Some RVs have bigger ones; they have 8 gallons, and some of them have continuous flows, and that's really spoiled. But we only have a 6 gallon, so they always have a shut off button. And so let's get straight to it. Let's take a look at what we have here. Of all the parts here, we have the new shower hose. This is a part that I don't really use, but it actually goes on the shower hose to stop the shower hose from clinking around in the shower. I will not be installing that. It always seemed, I don't know, it doesn't seem really that necessary to me. This goes on here, and there was no instructions. If I was going to cut this shower company down, I would say put some instructions in here, but I believe this is going to be my shut off button right here to shut the shower off. But there was no instruction, so I can't tell you that until we get it installed. Here is the shower holder. That's a takedown shower, which I love. They have you have screws to mount it with. If you were installing that in wood, we are right here. So what you do is you just peel this off, place it wherever you would like to hang your shower, and then this goes right on top of here, just like a command strip, if you're familiar with that. And then your shower goes right in there, just like that. So without further ado, let's install this puppy, shall we? I've already uninstalled. I've already taken out my old shower, which goes right here. So let's go ahead and install. So what I have done is I've chosen to put this connection up by the shower head, just so it's convenient, so you can turn it off up by the shower head. So I'm going to put this up here by the shower head so that the button to turn it off and turn it on is right up here. Just like so. I have to put a little Teflon tape on this other part. It never seems to fail, that no matter which way I wrap it on there, it's the wrong way. All right, so we got our Teflon tape on all the places. So then we simply put we got to get a washer in both of those ends. Always check for your washers. There's one in there, not one in here. Your washer, if you don't have a washer in there, it's going to leak everywhere. Like I always say, if you have to force it on here, then you don't have it on here right. And you're going to strip your fitting, especially a plastic fitting. There we go. And once you get it on there, there's no doubt that you got it on there, because it just slides right on there. Hand tight should be sufficient. Same goes here. Line that up. Hand tight. And before I even get to mounting this on the wall, I'm going to turn the water on and make sure I have no leaks. So there you go. There's one of the sprays. There's another of the sprays. And there's yet another spray. Very nice. And then, just in camping, let's test this button out. Then you turn that off, see? You soap up, and you turn it back on. Very nice. All right. Part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to tape this on. I'm just going to peel this back off, sliding down, peel this back off, put it wherever you wanted to put it. And then all you do is you just slide this down over the top, just like that. That's all we're going to do. So I'm not going to record this part just because I have to remove the camera, but we'll come back to you right after this is mounted. We got that mounted up there. And we've got that nice and right mounted nicely up there. And then that just slides in there just like that. And here's one of the nice things I keep by putting this additional part right here, I've made the shower head even higher. And an RV, that's kind of important. It's not a real tall thing. So that brings that, and I'm a tall person, so that brings that shower head up a little even higher. I love that. And let's just turn that on one more time. How cool is that? Very nice. Go out and get your RV shower head today.